Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. On this one, man, I want to talk about something I should have talked about in my previous vlog before the giveaway. And I appreciate all you guys for entering into the giveaway. Whoever entered, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna put the names in, and then we're gonna run the randomizer, and it's gonna pick the winners. So stay tuned for that vlog. On this one, though, I just wanted to talk about something that I should have talked about in my vlog when it comes to should you buy the Scat Pack or should you buy the Hellcat Widebody. Another basis I should have touched on with that is the cost of ownership and the cost of maintenance. Obviously, we're talking about anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 more for the Hellcat. I don't know if anybody would want to really pay that unless you can. Like, you know what I mean? To me, it's an extremely high number. Obviously, I did. I was in the position that I am where I was able to, you know, make the move and afford the Hellcat. But, you know, some people can't do that. And some people gotta, you know, wait a little bit, wait for the price to go down, and then buy their Hellcat or their Scat Pack, whatever. So it's a major difference with a car that costs this much. Just know that. And as far as the maintenance, you gotta be aware of that you're gonna pay. If you take your vehicle to the dealer like me, you're paying over $100 for oil changes. And depending on somewhere else, you can go up to like $150, I believe, for oil change. $150, $170. And that's extremely high for oil change. I don't change my own oil. I told you guys why in previous vlogs. It's just not my thing. Like, I'm not into the whole work on the car yourself. I'd rather have somebody else do it so I can have someone else to blame if something goes wrong. But I think these cars are good up to about 25,000 before you have to change like your rotors and everything. I mean, it just all depend on how aggressive you drive, you know, hard braking, all that. I know people usually swap out the pads and get the ceramic pads, and I think they're about $200, I think, or could be less, could be a little more. I haven't really looked into it, but I will here shortly. I'm tired of the brake dust on my freaking wheels. It gets ridiculous after a few days of driving. Like, the brake dust is incredible, and I gotta go through it every time I clean the car. I gotta sit there and do all the extra cleaning just on the wheels. And I will be getting those wheels powder coated. They either be powder coated or plasti dipped. I haven't decided yet, but what I'm gonna do something. And I don't know if I want to do just the regular black or if I want to go something, you know, a little exotic or whatever. But like I said, man, the cost to own this car is pretty ridiculous. Like, you're already paying like a high car payment. I don't care who you are. If you probably went in there with no bad credit, no negative equity, whatever, you still probably leave it out there with a $700, $800 credit. I mean, $800 car payment, $800. If you just went in there, everything was perfect, and left with paying $75 or whatever. Like, you still, to me, you're probably gonna be around the sevens on a car payment. So that is extremely high for some people, and I can understand why, you know. So you got to think about that when you're going to look at one of these vehicles. Like, I put it on my Instagram story like a week or two ago. You got to pay to play, man. If you want a new Hellcat, newer Hellcat, let's say a 2019, 2018, you're still gonna pay. You're still gonna pay like $60, whatever. You're gonna pay $60,000, high 50s, $60,000 for 2018 and all that. 2016 still in the 40s, some low 50s. So I mean, you're still gonna pay for these cars. So don't think you just hopping into a Hellcat and you're not gonna have to fork over a substantial amount of money. I mean, shoot, just in the car payment alone. And some people, their insurance is crazy. Like me, I have good insurance because, you know, I'm over the age of 30. I'm married, so I get all the discounts, all that. I got a good driving record. So my insurance is not that much on this car. It's actually pretty reasonable considering it's a Hellcat. I think my 6-month premium is about a little over $1,000. So you break that down, 6 months. So I don't know, what is that, 160? I think I paid for this car. So 160, 170. I don't know what the real numbers is. I probably should do a vlog on that, of actually how much I pay and how much my car insurance is and things of that nature. You know, how can I afford the car and all that. Let me know down below if you guys think I should do that vlog. I really don't like people in my personal business, I'm gonna be honest. Because, you know, people who got their own opinions, they like, oh, you could have got this, you should have paid that, why did you pay this? And like, that gets pretty annoying. So that's why I ain't really was in a rush to do that vlog. But if you guys want to see that vlog, man, let me know. But back to this, like I said, I just want you guys to be aware of, if you're gonna buy a Hellcat, you need to be aware of the maintenance and like the true cost of ownership. That's another reason why I didn't go like European cars or foreign cars, something like that, because maintenance on those cars and cost of ownership is just, it's up there. You know what I mean? And shoot, I got other things I got to do. I got a family, you know, I got kids and all that. So it's like, I got to take care of them. I can't just be spending all my money on cars. I know it seemed like it with the 2 cars I got, but it's like, I can't spend all of my money on cars. I got to take care of them, take care of home. So, like I said, I just want to drop a quick one for you guys. Just giving you a little warning before you just try to jump out there with a Hellcat. I mean, there's nothing wrong with jumping out there getting a Hellcat, like a used one. I suggest you get a used one instead of getting a brand new Hellcat. There's no real point in getting a brand new Hellcat unless you were in a situation where you had to move into a brand new vehicle and you couldn't go in and get a used one. I think I looked at one some months ago and it was about, I think they wanted $57,000 for it. It was like a 2017, 2018, something like that. It was like $59,000. I can't remember what they exactly wanted, but that was a good deal on a car that had, I don't know, 15,000 miles on it. Wasn't that many miles. So just be on the lookout for those good deals, man. But understand, like I said, once you get out there, everything that comes with a Hellcat. Like, don't let these YouTubers and all these, you know, big name YouTubers or semi-big name YouTubers fool you with how they be with their cars and all that. Because I guarantee they running through tires, they freaking oil changes, you know, drive shafts, freaking all that. Like, they're not going to tell you all the problems that they having with the cars because they be out there doing crazy stuff. But me, like I said, I'm not into the whole, I'm gonna go crazy to break my car. Like, this is a brand new car. Like, it's a 2020. This ain't no used Hellcat. I was the first person to buy this. I was the first person to drive it off the lot with 7 miles. You know what I mean? And that was just the dealership driving around. Like, nobody drove this car but me in the dealership. So, like I said, man, I'm not in the market to break my car. I want to enjoy it for a little bit. Once I get up in the miles, that's when I'll start adding power, start, you know, doing little things. I'm still going to put the radios on here to get better traction. I might go 315s on the NT05s. I haven't decided yet, but other than that, like, we're not going to get crazy with it yet. But as you stay in tune with the channel, as we continue to grow, I'm going to do more and more. And yes, we're going to up the power. Yes, the videos might get a little bit more, you know, extreme, but that's later on down the line. Right now, I just want to enjoy it, do some more aesthetics, you know, make the appearance look good. Minor tweaks to the rest of the car, such as, you know, I might go high flow cats and and things of that nature. But I'm not really looking to jump out there crazy yet, because you break something on this car, you're gonna pay. And I'm not gonna be paying monthly for a shell that's just sitting there. Not really a shell, but like a giant paperweight or lawn ornament, whatever you want to call it. Like, it's just sitting outside and I can't drive it because it's broke, and I can't freaking fix it if the dealership don't want to cover it, you know, with my warranty. So you got to be careful out here. But I know I'm blabbering on, man. I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick about the idea of, you know, buying a Hellcat. That's why a Scat Pack is like a good option. You know, it's way less on all those things, except for they come with the 6-piston too, so you're still gonna be paying for a brake job. And I think at the dealership they quoting people like $4,000. You can get it as cheap as $3,000 somewhere. But yeah, you just gotta like be mindful of that when it comes to these cars. Like, these are expensive hobbies, expensive toys. There's nothing cheap about a Hellcat or a Scat Pack or Trackhawk, none of that. Like, we all hear the names, we all see the prestige, and we fall in love with the idea of having it. Until you have it, and you gotta take care of it, you gotta pay for the maintenance, you gotta, you know, clean it, wash it, all that. Like, it's all time, energy, money. So it's a different world. So I would say, until you have all the resources you need, just take your time, you know what I mean, before you just jump out there. So if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. If you're a returning subscriber, man, I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome, and we're gonna keep growing, man. Hellcat TV, Hellcat Nation, Scat Pack Nation, everybody out there, man, Dodge Nation, we love you guys. We gonna keep going. Peace.